Good morning and welcome to Bumblebee Junction.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm sitting out here in the orchard in a nice big pile of leaves. Yeah, well, fall is definitely here. It is time to be getting everything cleaned up and moved on, and that includes the sweet potato bed. So actually I'm going to go over there, I'm going to set the camera up, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them next. Okay, we're going to sit out here, and this is the experimental sweet potato bed. And we had planted these late, and we knew we planted them late, but wanted to see if we could pull it off, and Mother Nature let us know, no, we can't. There just wasn't enough time in the year, but definitely worth having fun little experimental projects, and we really enjoy it. But yeah, didn't quite make it. Everybody died back, but you know, on a homestead, a farm, or just about anywhere, nothing goes to waste. In nature, absolutely nothing goes to waste, and none of this is going to either. I'm going to go ahead and pull the sweet potatoes out of here, and I am going to take them and feed them to the chickens. Now, all of these dead vines and stuff, I'm going to pile back into the top of here so that it will just go ahead and compost in place. But do have some hungry chickens, and you can feed potatoes to chickens raw or cooked. And I think erring on the side of getting them all of the nutritional content out of the potatoes, I'm just going to go ahead and give them to them raw and straight. These are very fine, very small, and kind of look like little orange worms. So I think they'll really enjoy them. I'm going to go ahead and get these pulled up. I got my cart sitting back here, and we'll see how many chicken snacks we can go ahead and pull out of here. Okay, so down in here, there's an awful lot of small ones, but this is also a great opportunity to show you how sweet potatoes form. Now, there right there is where they went into the ground as just a slip, and you can see how they form. Yeah, it's really neat. I don't know if you've seen that before, but they will go down. That is the continuation of that piece of slip here, and you can see all of these potatoes starting off from that spot. But thought I'd just break in here and show you that really quick. But there are actually more sweet potatoes in here than I thought there was going to be, and a few that are actually pretty good sized. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this dug up and pull the vines off, and then I'm going to go wash these up for the chickens. Now the ones that you plan to cure, there are a few in here I will probably keep. But the ones that you want to sit and cure, you don't want to wash them. The only reason that I'm going to wash the ones for the chickens is just so they don't have to, you know, peck their way through all of that dirt. But I'm going to get back to it. I got them about half dug up. So hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, I have completely dug this bed up, and I was absolutely surprised. Look at that. There are actually some really decent sized sweet potatoes in here. Definitely the right size to can. Now, any of them that I keep out of here, I do have to cure for 2 weeks. That one is split. But all of these little ones, and probably the broken ones and stuff in here too, that'll keep the chickens happy. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take this cart up. I'm going to get all these guys out into a box where I can take them in the house and wash them off real quick. But yeah, the chickens will definitely like that. There are some pretty decent sized sweet potatoes in here, and I have to admit I am pleasantly surprised. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get these up to the house, get them sorted, get the ones washed for the chickens, and then it'll be time to take some out for the chickens for breakfast, which I will probably do in the morning because it's getting kind of late in the afternoon. So yeah, absolutely pleasantly surprised. I love it. Okay, so that's all the footage that I have for today. And yes, I'm back sitting and playing in the leaves again. But I am absolutely filthy. I got to dig sweet potatoes a second time this year. And yeah, that means playing the dirt in the middle of November. And yeah, anyway, I think that the chickens will really like the small ones, and there's definitely in there plenty enough for the chickens to have a little bit of fun with. And I did promise them some sweet potatoes, but absolutely tickled that there were some bigger ones in there. I'm going to have to say I was pleasantly surprised. And if you cornered me, I would tell you you could probably get away with planting sweet potatoes late like that, because they're not the biggest, obviously not the biggest, but there are still definite edible size, cannibal size sweet potatoes in there. So if you do have the extra room and you do have the extra slips, why not try it? Because you never know. That's the biggest part of gardening, the biggest part of homesteading is learning. And you're not going to learn unless you take a few risks. And yeah, you just might surprise yourself. I'm going to have to say I am pleasantly surprised and absolutely tickled. But got a little bit more work to do. I'm going to go and get headed off that direction. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that little bell to let you know when I'm digging something else up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all in your mind, please leave them in the little box below. And actually, if you have a garden experiment that you would like to share, we would love to hear it. But anyway, let's see, I think I got through just about everything. Might have missed something, not sure. But I am going to go ahead and get on out of here. Got a little bit more work to do. And don't forget, we love you, and we'll see you in the next one.